Good afternoon, Year 6, and welcome to your science lesson. My name's Mr. Round, and I'm one of the science teachers at Penrice. Today we're going to be looking at a process called chromatography. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is have a think about all the skills you think a good scientist would need to have. So if you've got some mini whiteboards, you can use those, or just some scrap pieces of paper, and on there, as a group of 3, jot down all the skills you think a good scientist should have.
Alright, to be a good scientist, you need to be clever, yeah, you need to be hard working, you need to be part of a team, you need to be working well as part of a team. You also need to be resilient and try again if it doesn't work out, and patient.
Okay, brilliant. Well done, James and Finn there. Some of the other skills that I came up with are being creative, so thinking outside the box. Having good observational skills. Often we need to look at what we're doing and really pick apart whether that's the right way of doing it. Being very accurate, being accurate with our measurements, being accurate with the way we're doing things, being reliable, and also being able to listen carefully as well. Right, so the next thing I'd like you to do is have a look at this image that we've got on the screen behind me, and I want you to think about what is actually going on in this image. So we've got some different colours here and what's happening to them as they are going up the paper. So from the image on the previous slide, you could see that there were some chemicals that were made of mixtures, and they were separating out into their separate colours. And chromatography, this word up here, is a way of separating simple mixtures so that we can see the different colours and the different chemicals that make up that mixture. So for example, brown ink is a mixture, and it is a mixture of red, yellow and blue, and we can separate out brown ink to see those separate components of that mixture. So your challenge today, Year 6, is to carry out some chromatography, and you're going to try and solve the following problem. So your chromatography challenge today, Year 6, is a food company has added an unknown food colouring to its sweets, which is illegal. Dun dun dun! So our job is to try and work out through chromatography and through the practical you're going to do which of the food colourings is the banned, unknown, illegal one, and which ones are safe to eat. Okay, year 6. So what we can see is that the red skittle has clearly contained two different colours here. We've got an orange and we've got a pink. So we've separated out that mixture, and we can identify that one of these unknown colours is our illegal food colouring. So it is the red skittle that we should be avoiding. So you're all right to eat all the others, but avoid the red ones because that's got your illegal food colouring in. Thank you, Year 6. Hope you've enjoyed yourselves. That's been our science lesson for the day. I hope you have a lovely summer, and we look forward to seeing you up here in September.